Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be putting Spec D Halo headlights into a 99 Ford Ranger. Hopefully by the end of the video, your truck will look like this. Alrighty guys, so this is what it looks like when your headlight is out, your stock headlight. Now to put in the aftermarket halos, we're going to be putting it in like a regular headlight. There's 2 bolts to hold in this part. 2 bolts, here and here. This part will be a lot easier with 2 guys because somebody has to hold the blinker part in place and then somebody has to go underneath and put in the screws. Alrighty guys, so for the next part, we've got the actual headlight itself that's going into place. There's 3 adjuster screws that have to go perfectly into place right here, and there's another one up here. There's going to be 3 little pins that hold it on the backside. They slide in here once you're behind here. And just a little friendly tip, while you're installing, leave the plastic film on so you don't damage your headlights. So for the halo itself, you're going to get a wiring harness like this, and we're just going to wire it into the actual daytime running light itself. Now this one is a little messed up because it's got a grounding issue that was a problem with the original truck before we tried to install these headlights. So now we're just going to show you how to wire it in as if this was the factory wire. And then this is still a factory wire, you just have to wire it to this. And see how it's counting? It's recording. So bring it over here.
Are you able to zoom in when you're editing?
Yeah. Can you shoot past my hand?
No.
Okay, we'll get somewhere where you can see past my hand.
That'd be up.
guys, so here's the clips that slide into the little grooves on the back side of the adjuster bolts.
This soul